in my Toyota Tundra, whenever I turned the vent on, I was getting some type of like fog or steam or something coming out of the vent. And I found out that it was the heater coil. The heater coil did have a leak in it. As my earlier video, I did take it to the mechanic, and he had to completely take everything off the dash to get to the heater core. It's a big deal. So it ain't something you can do yourself. You have to take this to the mechanic. Unless you got a lot of time in a big shop to deal with it, you have to take all of this stuff out, completely strip everything out, even the middle console. You have to take it out, the steering wheel and everything. So I did have a leak in a heater core. As you can see, I'm going on the other side and just show you some more views of what it looks like right now. He had to take all that stuff out to just get to this part right here, that little heater coil. But he also did a leak check to show me, so I'm gonna show you where the leak was at. And down there to the left, that's the heater coil, and you have the AC. I think it's condenser or vapor or something, but he's gonna go ahead and change that out because it had a little leak too. But as you see, the heater coil, we're putting air in it. And this is how big the leak is. All right, thank you.